Imagine your digital life is a castle. Not a cool movie castle, a messy one. Wi-Fi routers everywhere, old software in the basement, and a door labeled admin that you swear you locked. Today, we're explaining cybersecurity using this castle, with stories, humor, and zero confusion. Everything here is for ethical and authorized security learning. Meet the first character, the ethical hacker. This is the good guy. An ethical hacker legally breaks into systems to find problems before criminals do. Like a locksmith testing your door. If they get in, they don't steal your TV, they tell you to buy a better lock. Every castle has weak points. In cybersecurity, we call this the attack surface. Every door, window, chimney, and forgotten tunnel. Websites, apps, passwords, and smart devices all increase the attack surface. Cybersecurity is mostly asking, why does this door exist? Let's talk about doors. Digital doors are called ports. Ports are numbered entry points. Port 80, 443, 22. Behind each port lives a service. The service is the program answering the door. Sometimes the service is modern. Sometimes it hasn't been updated since 2010. Attackers love old services. Now the most important word, vulnerability. A vulnerability is a weakness, a cracked window, a broken lock. Each vulnerability gets an ID called a CVE. Think of CVEs as official names for mistakes. An exploit is how the vulnerability is used. Vulnerability is the weak spot. Exploit is the action. After an exploit works, something is delivered. That something is the payload. This could be malware, spyware, or a reverse shell. A reverse shell makes the victim's computer call the attacker. Firewalls usually allow outgoing traffic. Security teams hate this. Breaking in doesn't mean full control. Privilege escalation is getting more power, from guest to admin to king of the castle. A bypass skips security completely, not breaking the lock, just walking around it. The weakest system isn't software, it's people. Phishing tricks users into giving access. Emails, fake logins, urgency. Brute force tries every password. It still works because people use bad passwords. SQL Injection tricks databases into revealing data. XSS injects scripts that run in other users' browsers. Trusting user input is how this happens. Castles need guards, digital ones. These are logs. They record everything. Passwords alone are bad guards. Add multi-factor authentication. Extra steps, fewer attackers. And finally, backups. Because sometimes castles fall. Defenders fight back with patches, fixing vulnerabilities before attackers find them. The best defense isn't fear, it's understanding. Update your software, use better passwords, enable MFA. Stay curious and protect your digital castle.